This video is part 3 on the header building for my 427 LS. Welcome back. This is the beginning of part 3 on building headers for my 427 LS, and now I'm on the driver's side. If you've watched part 1 and part 2, thank you for watching those. If you're watching part 3 now, obviously, and you watched those other 2, thank you. I've built lots of headers. I've never video documented in this type of stuff, so I'm trying to make this good and get some camera. Oh crap! See, just like that, I get my camera stuff set up here. But so, well, I'm not ready to do that yet. Let me grab this. So this is the same situation as the passenger side. I'm going to start in the back hole. That's number 7. Number 7, number 5, number 3, number 1. I got the collector is down there. It's ready to take the tubes as I build to it. Really, this side isn't too big of a deal. The first obstacle I'm going to find is with number 7 here. I gotta stay away from the steering shaft, and these are pump gas lines coming from the back, supply and return. So my goal with this chunk of header here, with this whole header tube, is to get it in and out of the car without removing the steering shaft. I'm pretty sure I can do that. But so what I got to do, let me hook this back up on here and get it adjusted. Let's see, I need my glasses. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that'll work. That's what I got. I've got my paper templates again, and I'm going to use, this one's a little different than those 4 over there because it's kind of special in the back. It needs to come out a little bit different to get away from that shaft right away. But these other 3 will be the same as those over there. So what I did with my paper templates here, I like to use these so I don't waste material cutting the angles and stuff I need. So I know if I want that there like this, so I can reach in here and stay away from the camera. I think it looks pretty good. So my first cut will probably be a tube like this. It's going to go inside the collector, or inside the flange, and then I'll take another one and probably cut it like this template shows, because I need to come out of the flange, and then it needs to turn down, and it's going to come down on top of the shaft, not super close. I need to stay away from the fuel lines, and I need to stay away from the boot and give plenty of room for the socket and ratchet to get in there and get the plug. So I'm going to take these 2 pieces, transfer them to my tubing, make those cuts, and I'll come back and see how they fit. I'm back at the car. I got the tube cleaned up. Actually, I think it was probably this one that was in the time lapse in the video, but I changed excuse me, I changed my mind on what tube I wanted in there. What I did go after was the spark plug boot and socket clearance. I got awesome clearance for the boot. And let's see if I can see it there. There's the ratchet and socket. It's an awesome fit. It's out of the way. It's not going to interfere. Do not want any interference with the tool. So where I'm at now is I haven't decided if I'm going to take this tube and go to the inside hole of the collector, I'll come over here to the outside hole. I might do a piece here and just jog over and hit the outside of the collector, and I can easily come in through here, and then this cylinder here can come out and catch the outside. So that's where I'm at now, trying to figure out which way I want to go. I'm probably gonna I need to pay attention to the camera here. Swing this way just a little bit and go down there and hit the outside. But that's where I'm at now. Got to decide which direction I want to go there, and I'll be back in a little bit. All right, got number 7 tacked. Just the tubes are tacked, just like the other side was doing. It's in this bottom outside hole in the collector. See that? The next tube will go right next to it on the bottom, coming here from number 7, and maneuver the tube clear of the, let me zoom that in a little bit, clear of the steering shaft. There's plenty of room underneath there to move. This fuel lines, it looks weird in the video here. It's actually, there's like 2 fingers of space here. There's plenty of room there for those lines, and I can wrap them with something if I need to. Spark plug. There's you can barely see the tip of the spark plug in there. And get it on there. There we go. Got great access. It's looking through springs here and stuff, but you get the idea. Got good ratchet access for the spark plug, and obviously if the wrench fits, the plug will fit too. So that's a score. Next I'm gonna make my get my template here, and I'm gonna move the ratchet to the next hole and work around it. So use my little template pattern here and get a, I need to pay attention to the camera here, get a good path out of the hole and around the ratchet and down and into the bottom. So that's the path we're going next. Got this is number 7. It's make sure everything's all good. It's in there real good. I got number 5 tacked together. Get it inside the. I gotta get the head out of the camera here. I may have to pull the collector back a little bit to get it in there. I pull them both back. That's all right. Got that. I'll go down here and put this in. Back in the collector. It kind of came out. There we go. Got both of those in. Got that in. Those are in real good. There's the socket on there. Good clearance there. Check it back here too. It's real good there. In and out real easy. So take this off of here and look around a little bit. Number 7, number 5. I'm going to do number 3 next. It's going to go down here, and then number 1 is going to come out and go down there. So 2 more tubes. It just takes some time just fitting these darn tubes. It's kind of fun, kind of frustrating, but so that's where we're at in this chunk. Well, actually, I'm going to see how much time this is with these videos, putting number 7, number 5 tube together. That might be the end of this. Might be the end of part 3 video, and then I'll fire off part 4, finishing those last 2, and go on from there. So we'll see how much time is into this and go from there.